Hello all. The topics to be discussed in this session are general methods for solving OR models and role of OR in decision making. General methods for solving OR models. There are three types of methods used for solving OR models: analytic method, iterative method, and Monte Carlo method. Analytic method. If the OR model is solved by using all the tools of classical mathematics like differential calculus and finite differences available for this task, then such type of solutions are called analytic solutions. Example, solutions of various inventory models are obtained by analytic procedure. Iterative method. If classical methods fail because of complexity of the constraints or of the number of variables, then we have to adopt an iterative method. Such a procedure starts with a trial solution and a set of rules for improving it. The trial solution is then replaced by the improved solution, and the process is repeated until either no further improvement is possible or the cost of further calculation cannot be justified. There are three types of iterative procedures. First one, after a finite number of repetitions, no further improvement is possible. Successive iterations improve the solutions, but the solution is guaranteed as a limit of an infinite process. Trial and error method, which is lengthy, tedious, and costly. Third one is Monte Carlo method. When faced with significant uncertainty in the process of making a forecast or estimation, rather than just replacing the uncertain variable with a single average number, the Monte Carlo simulation might prove to be a better solution by using multiple values. A Monte Carlo simulation takes the variable that has uncertainty and assigns it a random value. The model is then run and a result is provided. This process is repeated again and again while assigning the variable in question with many different values. Once the simulation is complete, the results are averaged together to provide an estimate. In brief, the basis of a Monte Carlo simulation involves assigning multiple values to an uncertain variable to achieve multiple results and then to average the results to obtain an estimate. In summary, Monte Carlo methods vary but tend to follow a particular pattern. Define a domain of possible inputs, generate inputs randomly from a probability distribution over the domain, perform a deterministic computation on the inputs, aggregate the results. Advantages of Monte Carlo simulation. It helps to explain the impact of risk and uncertainty in prediction and forecasting models. A variety of fields utilize this method, including finance, engineering, supply chain, and science. Another topic to be discussed in this session is role of OR in decision making. OR may be considered as tool which is utilized to increase the effectiveness of management decisions. The advantages of OR in business and management decision making may be classified as follows. Better control. In situations where it is not possible to provide continuous supervision of every routine work, OR approach provides an analytical and qualitative basis to identify the problem area. For example, OR approach directs the executives to concentrate on production scheduling and inventory control. Better coordination. An operations research oriented planning model helps in coordinating different divisions of a company. For example, coordinating marketing decisions with the limitations imposed on manufacturing capabilities. Better system. Often, an over approach is initiated to analyze a particular problem of decision making, such as best location for the factories, whether to open a new warehouse, etc. It also helps in selecting economical means of transportation, job sequencing, production scheduling, replacement of old machinery, etc. OR approach can be further developed into a system to be employed repeatedly. Better decisions. OR models help in improved decision making and reduce the risk of making erroneous decisions. OR approach gives the executive an improved insight into how he makes his decisions. Thank you.